1993, the government of Nepal gave ECMOD this 30 hectares of land, 600 30 hectares, to set up what at that time they called a test and demonstration site for appropriate technologies that would benefit mountain farming communities. So the technologies that you see on display, they have been built up over the years. As new technologies become available, we introduce them. So we've got a range of technologies now, everything from hydroponics to mushroom cultivation to energy-related issues, water-related, right? So we'll see these in different sections, right? So, and the other part is that when this land was handed over to ECMOD, it was mostly degraded. We have the historical photos which I'll show you. Now, you can see the forests. These are all secondary forests. You can see from the age of the trees, they're all secondary growth. But a lot of wildlife has come back. So this is also a restoration success story. And yeah, we'll see more of it. For example, you can see the butterfly diversity here. Yeah. Just this Godavari Punchoki landscape alone has, more than 350 species have been recorded here. Okay. That's probably a third of the butterflies found in the country. Right? So, similarly, there are other diversities. We've recorded about 13 species of wild mammals here using camera traps. Right? More than 100 species of birds have been recorded just in the LML area alone. Right? So, yeah. So from here, this section, I'll leave it to Nomika to...
So this is where we grow mushrooms in grow bags.
Is it shiitake or?
Shiitake pani we grow in grow bags. Pani logs na pani umarsa, but then mathi cha logs.
यो चाहिँ के हो?
यो चाहिँ bags मा हो भित्र हेर्दा. As of now चाहिँ हाम्रो it's just a demonstration site भएर चाहिँ अहिले त्यति बेसी bags चाहिँ छैन. आउनुहोस् please. छैन. तर यसरी हामीले यता येलो ओयस्टर उमारेको छ ब्याग्समा अनि अरू भराइटिज नि छ अहिले
यो कसरी हो
We have fish and then we have plants together, like they help each other, like support each other grow. So we stay यहाँको यो good bacteria, they break it down and they provide nutrients for the plants. And the plants in turn, like they clean the fish waste. So it's like a closed loop system.
Automatic
माछाको वेस्ट सेन्टर पनि त्यहाँ जान्छ
हजुर मेरो नाम नमिका
जस्तो मौरीको बारेमा हामीलाई धेरै थाहा छ हैन बट there are a lot of solitary bees जस्तो यो एउटा उडिरहेछ नि अनि एक्लै बस्ने solitary bees, there are a lot of them that also play a very important role in pollination. You can see one came inside there. Right? These are not social insects. They live alone and they usually live in these cavities. Right? So in a farm, if you keep something like this, you have a lot of these solitary bees nesting there and helping with pollination. We understand pollination by bees.
But some insects like this, they eat up like the vegetables, like...
no, in fact, some of these wasps, they actually... Some wasps actually feed on the caterpillars that affect the crops.
Okay.
So they're actually beneficial insects.
But
that's not found anywhere else, right? So, earthquake-resistant house, using local materials. But when you incorporate things like wood into the masonry, it kind of reduces the shock, right? And reduces the chances of entire walls.
Many locks.
Yeah.
Interlock.
Yeah. yeah. Turmeric. So then you have two high value, crops
crops, yeah.
in the same space. Here is on low cost, simple technologies that farmers can adopt. So what happens in cold places is that in winter, decomposition comes to a stop, because temperatures are low. So just by trapping enough heat, using just bamboo and a sheet like this and putting pits, you can continue to produce compost even through the winter. Right? And then as it gets, this is the herbal garden section. This demonstration site was developed in collaboration with Dabur. So you can see the signages also. So each of the signages explains what a particular plant is used for, what are its medicinal properties, and this is for large institutions or small manufacturing units.
This is quite practical.
Yes. And what makes a difference in the combustion is this unit. So you have more complete and cleaner combustion.
This is the oil warning system for model, okay, model.
Among the plants, we have very high orchid diversity in this landscape. Just in LML alone, 56 species have been recorded. And between here and Pulchoki, about 86 species have been recorded. You can see here.
Okay, this is very beautiful.
Signage. Some signages are in red because those are threatened species, endangered species.
Okay. Oh.
Right? So those are in red. In fact, some of the purest LML, and I would hear from staff that we saw this animal, we saw that animal, but we had no documentary evidence, right? So 2019 we deployed 6 cameras, trail cameras, and over the monitoring period since then, we've documented 13 species of wild mammals in this landscape. It's not the complete list, probably we'll get more, but among them we have 3 cat species including leopard, jungle cat and leopard cat. We've got wild pig. We've got 2 species of civet, large Indian civet and the common palm civet. Yo, Malsapro, Dumsi, Bomil, Sili Bansa, Ratua.
Terrace. And then we do mixed like agroforestry, just say. So we have citrus trees, and then we pair it with vegetables, crops, and then this is the hedgerows. Hedgerows, it's so maintains soil. Yeah. Homes. So the construction's ongoing.
Okay.
But then we were supposed to have 8 of them, like representing each member country of the Hindu-Kush Himalayan region. But we could only do 2, so this has like 8 rooms, and then it's made out of rammed earth. And then like most of the materials that you see here, they're all sourced locally. And then even cement is like only 20% of cement is used here, like for the materials. And yeah, we didn't even use the, what do we call, the mixing machine? Like,
So you did the
yeah, yeah, it was like all locally done, all manually done, since it's eco.
डेमोन्स्ट्रेट गर्नु खोजे हैन हाम्रो स्थानीय स्रोत साधनबाट पनि राम्रो खालको अहिलेको मोडर्न लाइफस्टाइललाई सुटेबल खालको घर बनाउन सकिन्छ भनेर 4 कोठे घरहरु हैन 2टा घर छ हैन यसमा अट्याच बाथरुम हैन सो बाहिरबाट चाहिँ हाम्रो पुरानो हाम्रो आर्किटेक्चर स्टाइलमै राखेर पनि हैन तर हाम्रो ज्यालरहरु पनि स्लाइडिङ हैन सो अहिलेको मोडर्न लाइफलाई पनि कम्प्रोमाइज गर्नु नपर्ने गरी लोकल र नेचुरल मेटेरियलबाट है सो
ढुङ्गा छ माटो छ अरु
ढुङ्गा माटो हाम्रो काठ धेरै छ
यसको वाल चाहिँ के छ वाल
राम्रो त माटो
यो कति रेक्टरसम्म धान्न सक्ने खालको छ यो
यस्तो त्यो चाहिँ